Okay, so this is the HomePod Mini. I have heard so many good stuff about this device. Let's unbox this and check this out for ourselves. The box looks really good. We have here the space gray. It also comes in a white. I think the gray is suitable for me. The unboxing was straightforward. When you lift the box, you are greeted with the HomePod itself. I'll leave my first impressions for the end of the video. Also, we get a couple of paperworks and the sticker in the box. Right under that, you find a 20 watt fast charger in the box. I was surprised and I liked it. Unlike the new iPhones, this actually comes with a 20 watt fast charger in the box, which you can actually use to charge your iPhones if that's something you prefer. So basically, this is everything that comes in the box. The HomePod itself, a couple of paperwork, the startup guide, a sticker, and a 20 watt fast charger. Now let's talk about the HomePod itself. The setup process was really simple. It took a couple of minutes, which I probably think my internet speed had something to do with. You just follow the on-screen instructions and the setup is really simple. You know, pairing Apple devices is actually really simple. So the HomePod itself is kind of small, like really smaller than I expected. Not really heavy too, the weight is kind of cool. It has this nice feeling mesh around it. It feels really nice to touch. Not too rigid, it's kind of soft. The cord here is a braided USB-C cord, which I think it feels good and looks really good. It makes it look really premium. More like permanently fixed to the port. You can't really take it off. I'll check this out a little bit more in the full review to see if it's going to be possible. On the top, you get this display. Not like a display for watching videos or anything, just to show you this cool animation anytime Siri is interacting with you. It also has the volume up and down button right on the screen. Some of the functions of the HomePod include tap once to play or pause, tap twice to skip, triple tap for previous song, hold to summon Siri. It also works Siri, really well. Hey Siri, how you doing?
Hiya, what can I do for you?
What's the weather going to be like today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 33 degrees. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 33 degrees to 28 tonight. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Set the timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, counting down.
Other functions include the fact that you can bring your phone when you play music close to the HomePod, and this is going to switch to the HomePod and vice versa. This function is really cool, but unfortunately my iPhone X can't do this, so I'm yet to try this for myself. Okay, so for my first impressions, for the footprint of this device, how small this device looks, it actually sounds amazing. The first time my bro heard this playing, he immediately wanted to buy one for himself. For the size, this is really good. I'm going to try this a bit more and give you a full detailed review in a couple of days. I like the braided cord here, it feels really premium, and the addition of the charger in the box is really appreciated. Getting the charger right in the box is really cool. In summary, a few hours of using this device, I was really impressed. Even at this size, the sound that comes from this is mind-blowing. I just can't imagine what the bigger version of this is going to sound like. I really enjoy the intercom feature that allows you to broadcast your messages to all other HomePods in your home app. So this has been great so far. The first few hours of using this, I've been really impressed with the sound, with the build quality and everything about this device. I'll definitely bring out a full review in a couple of days. So this is my first impressions of the Apple HomePod Mini. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't get notified the next time I upload the video, because the full review is going to be coming out in a couple of days. Thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. I'm out.